Beijing turned the spotlight on its military might on September 3rd, staging one of the largest parades in the world at Tiananmen Square. The event held to mark the 80th anniversary of victory over Japan in World War II, doubled as direct challenge to the US and the Western-led global order. Over 12,000 troops marched in uniforms as President Xi Jinping presided over the meticulously choreographed event. The parade lasted nearly 90 minutes and featured a stunning showcase of missiles, laser weapons, stealth drones, and futuristic defense systems. Among the crowd of international dignitaries were Russian President Vladimir Putin, North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, and 24 other head of states, including Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto, whose presence surprised many given his nation's ongoing disputes with China. At Beijing's military parade, the sight of Xi Jinping, flanked by Vladimir Putin and Kim Jong-un, stole the show. Kim's first visit to China in 6 years and Putin's high-profile presence turned the missile and drone spectacle into a geopolitical signal. The trio's unity highlighted a Beijing-Moscow-Pyongyang axis, defying the West and unsettling regional rivals. More than hardware, the parade projected an image of authoritarian solidarity, a warning shot at the US and its allies. At the heart of the display was China's unveiling of its full nuclear triad land, sea, and air-based systems. The new Dongfeng 61 intercontinental ballistic missile, with a range of 12,000 km and the ability to carry nuclear warheads, drew the most attention. Updated versions of the DF-31BJ also rolled through the square. Analysts described the parade as a signal that Beijing considers these weapons its ultimate trump card in safeguarding sovereignty. China also flaunted a suite of hypersonic missiles, including the YJ-21 Carrier Killer, designed to strike warships and aircraft carriers. High-power laser and microwave weapons built to destroy enemy drones made their first public appearance, alongside unmanned helicopters and dual-mode drones capable of operating underwater and in the air. The symbolism was unmistakable. Xi declared that the world must now choose between peace and war, a line widely read as both a warning and a message of defiance to Washington. The parade, while celebrated domestically as a triumph of Chinese innovation and strength, has heightened global unease. Taiwan's President Lai Ching-te dismissed Xi's rhetoric, insisting that peace does not need guns. US President Donald Trump questioned whether Xi would acknowledge American sacrifice in World War II, even as the Chinese leader spoke of national rejuvenation and hinted at Beijing's ambitions towards Taiwan.